Hey guys, this is Electro16. I'm going to do an unboxing. Something I got from Amazon. So, here on the side, carefully, and on this side. Okay, and then very carefully across the top here. Over here, there, and here we go. General Zod in shackles. A very nice figure. A lot of detail, especially in the shackles there. Very nice. Has that little base there in the back. Very cool. So I got one missing in this series. It's the Superman with the Kryptonian key. So the hunt goes on for that one. Hopefully I'll find it in the near future. So very happy with this figure. Very cool. All right, so that's it for this time. So take care. I'll catch you later.